What's going on, good people? E-Bibs here, Mr. Remote Life. So we got a good, easy one for you today. We picked up this dock from my 24-inch iMac, M1 iMac. I got a blue version. I'm looking for some expandability. So currently, I have the 1 terabyte model and spec for the iMac. But of course, as you know, that is not a lot of space. So what I did was I actually set up my home folders on an external drive, 2 terabytes, all external. So I'm running basically OS and then personal drives on the 2 terabyte external. But what this thing does is you can actually install that NVMe drive inside this dock and also grab some more IO as far as like the SD card, USB-A, and I think it has USB-C too. So let's get this thing going. Let's unpack it and let's see how the speed tests are versus what I'm currently running and what this is doing. All right, so here's my iMac. What is it? M1, M2, whatever it is. Anyway, I got the blue one. So just looking at the close coloring, they got the coloring right. It's very close to the default blue. So let me show you how I got it set up. So here's my external. And what this is going to do, we're going to be able to replace this external, take the NVMe drive out of there, put it in the bottom of here. All you do is take this cover off. So we'll do that now. Let's see how well and how fast the speeds are. So it looks good for the most part, and really make it bigger. Let's see if it boots up. No error. We in there. Okay, so here is the first initial speed test we did for the drive read and write speed. This is using the Thunderbolt enclosure that we have before we integrated the hub under it. As you can see, it's pretty fast. And now let's switch over to the hub speed. This is significantly lower. I thought it wouldn't be as bad as it is, but this is pretty unusable since this is storing all the home folder and all the files for the home folders. And I have my wife and my son, we're all sharing. This is a shared computer. So I can't edit any videos in high def comfortably, and I know I can't mix any audio. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing all back apart, put it all back in our enclosure, and send this back. All right, so obviously that won't work. What I failed to realize is this is a USB-C, not Thunderbolt 4. Totally different, and that's why you actually see the difference in speeds. My bad, I didn't read through the description before I purchased this thing, even though it is going back. It's not usable for me from just from a standpoint of I'm losing 3 times the speed of what I have with what I currently run with. So what I do recommend is what I'm originally using. I'll put that link in the description below. It's actually 40 gigabytes per second, unlike 10 gigabytes per second. What you're seeing the speed differences between the two external drives. Yeah, I'm missing out on the dock, but that's something I can live with. I'll look for another docking solution. If you have any that you want me to test out, leave a comment below. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you're using one of these iMacs, you definitely need something for a little more storage. So we're out to find a solution, and we'll get it there. Until next time.